Hello everyone, this is Frank again, and today I'm bringing you a full tutorial on how to draw Cyborg from Teen Titans Go. And we're gonna start with a simple circle for the head. Then I measure the same size of the circle, and this is gonna be his diaphragm. Then I measure again the size from the top of his head until his diaphragm, and that's gonna be the full size of his body. I just mark the ground line. Just remember, I might change it later. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please don't forget to do so. If you enjoy our content, please leave a like and subscribe. So I'm gonna start his chest with a box like this, so you know where his diaphragm is gonna be. Then a couple of short lines. Then there's gonna be a trapeze for his waist and pelvis. Like this, and then his legs are gonna be very short on the thigh line. And his shin is gonna be really long, like this. It's gonna start narrower on top, and then it's gonna become much wider, close to the feet. So I'm marking here his shoulders and the center of his chest. So following some real human anatomy, his elbow is gonna be around the same height as the diaphragm. Then I'm gonna make a few boxes just to complete the arm. Don't forget to make it higher on the outside. Then his fingers are just gonna be some rectangles. Now let's work a little bit on his face, and I'm just marking the central line. He's gonna be looking to the left, so that's why the line is gonna be a bit bent. Now this is the height of his nose and eyes. Now his nose is just gonna be a downward arrow, and his eyes are just two circles next to the nose, following the line I had marked. So let's draw him a nice smile. Now as his head is not necessarily going to be a circle, I'm starting to shape. There are a few sudden angles, but his chin is going to be very square. And from this part of the jaw, I make it a bit narrower on top. And from the center of his face, I start making his robot side. So there's going to be this square on his chin. His eyebrows are just gonna be two water drops, like this, very close to the top of the head. And his earpiece is just gonna be a square in perspective. So that's gonna be the iris for this eye, and the other is gonna be the robotic one. So for the neck, we're gonna draw a curved line and a V shape here on top of it, right under his chin. So let's follow the shapes that we had done before. So we're gonna have this upside down bell on his chest, and a couple of lines just following the shape of a human skeleton, like this. So with a very slightly curved line, I'm marking his waist, and this is gonna be like his shorts, and then I'm gonna connect using the central line. I'm gonna connect the shorts to the diaphragm. So for his shoulder pads, it's not gonna be circular, so there are gonna be some 90-degree angles here, and then there is this bolt on the side. It's just a pentagon with a circle in the middle. So we're gonna do something similar with the other shoulder. 90 degrees, slightly curved, and then a pentagon with a circle in the middle. To give his arms a robotic feel, we're just gonna draw these parallel lines close to the hands. And then there's gonna be the glass panel. So for his knee pads, it's just a trapeze, and the same for the other side. We just repeat now. The sole of his boots is gonna be jagged like this. The front of his feet is just gonna be kind of square shapes like this. So the sketch is ready. So I'm gonna get the liner and do the external lines. So now that the line work is ready, I think the first thing I have to do before I color it in full is to take care of the black areas. And since this is gonna be a very simple version of the drawing, I decided to use some colored pencils. Use whatever you have at hand. There you go, our cyborg is ready. Thank you very much for watching the video up to this point. And if you're not yet a subscriber, don't forget to subscribe now, because your like and your subscription are very important for us. Thank you all for your support, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.